Hi everyone, this is Angus here, and today I'm going to be giving you a review of the Ori Future Glazer Mini ice molds. So I was kindly sent these ice molds by Ori Future, so I would like to thank them very much for that. They have sent me 5 ice molds. I haven't received any payment for this review, and this is the first time that Ori Future are seeing this video. So I've already used one of these ice molds before in my previous video. So I reviewed the Captain Morgan's alcohol-free spiced gold, and I used the skull ice mold for that one, and I was really impressed. So inside the box, it's quite simple. You get a stainless steel cup, you get 2 plastic cups inside, you get the mold, and then you also get instructions available in different languages. There was quite a bit of plastic packaging included in the unboxing, and I would like to see more sustainable packaging in the future for this brand. I found the instructions quite clear, but I think it could be extra clear on what's important. For example, it comes with 2 cups as default, but the brand told me that only 1 cup is necessary. I also found that just using 1 cup was better, and it seems that they've included another cup as a spare, but again, that's not really clear in the instructions. I found the best method for getting it right with the mold is you put a plastic cup in the sink, you fill it to about 50%, you don't need to fill up that much water, and then you press down the mold as much as you can. Now yes, water is going to come out and that's fine, but just keep pressing it down pretty much until the bottom of the black mold is at the bottom of the plastic cup, and then you put that in the stainless steel cup. Someone reviewed one of these products on Amazon and they came up with a really good suggestion of boiling the water if you want to get a really clear ice. The brand also suggests you use filtered or distilled water. Now, I'm not too fussy when it comes to how clear the ice is. Some people might prefer to have a completely clear mold and a completely clear ice, so I would follow the instructions from the brand if you want to get the best results. So what's good and what's bad? So I've used these molds and I found them really easy to use. I think they've got a huge range of molds available. The stainless steel cup feels really high quality. When I was using these in the freezer, I wanted to stack them, so I'd really like to see stackable versions in the future because it just takes up a little bit of space. The ice molds aren't too big, but compared to like a traditional ice mold tray, these are much bigger and will take up more room in your freezer. So are these molds good value for money? So they cost £23 each, which I think is really reasonable for a really well designed and thought of product. I think a lot of thought and effort has gone into this product, from the branding to the packaging to the molds themselves. There's lots of different ones available. I think they're high quality and they're easy to use, so I would absolutely recommend these ice molds. So overall, I'm going to give these 5 out of 5 because I can't really find many issues with these ice molds. I think they're a really good product and I would recommend them to anyone. So if you are thinking about getting these ice molds, I would definitely go give them a go. And of course you can only buy one and see how you find it, and there's lots of different shapes available. Probably the only snag is that you can only make 1 ice mold. So, you know, if you want to make ice for several different people, then you're probably going to have to buy multiple of these.